Are you ready for affordable, in the heart of Denver, detached living, no HOA, everything right at your fingertips? While affordability is all the rage and something that we have to pay attention to on our current market, this home offers a move-in ready, functionally updated home that doesn't have it all done. What does that mean for you as a buyer, as someone looking to gain wealth through real estate? Is opportunity. You don't have to do anything to move in, but there are things along the way that you can do to absolutely increase your investment. Let's go take a look. Well, sitting in this living room, you can't help but notice the amazing, thoughtful landscaping that went into your front yard, a serene setting for your first home or your next home. However, sitting from this living room right here, I am just minutes away from the main interstates that can allow access to downtown Denver in 5 minutes, to LoHi Tennyson Street in 7 to 10 minutes, as well as everything they got going on in Broomfield, everything you need south of the metro area, and of course, northern Colorado. This home, while affordable, centrally located, allows you to access anything and everything the Denver Metro has to offer within a 15 to 20 minute drive. You're at the foothills and you're up in the hills doing whatever you like to do there, sitting from this living room right here. As we finish out 1285 Elder, I want you to understand that this backyard is a key feature. You still have the amazing gardening that allows for a colorful setting for your backyard barbecues, or even just enjoying a nice cold beverage on a late summer evening after a hard day of work. This backyard is ready for all that you could offer. Flat for a volleyball party, or quiet and private with the mature landscaping. So if this is something that you would love to see, let me know. Before we leave, I do want to talk about the functionality of the updates that the seller has made. You have new windows throughout. That's a $15,000, $20,000, upgrade that you don't have to worry about. These older homes definitely sometimes have that as a sneaking cost that looms taken care of. The electrical panel, all updated, so you don't have to worry about it. And then we've seen the new garage floor, the nice new driveway, the new garage door, all of those things that aren't necessarily, sexy upgrades are taken care of, allowing you to move into this home, make it your own, but still allow for some, cosmetic updates that will only increase your investment as you live here, as you enjoy the amazing backyard. So if you're interested in seeing more or a private tour, please reach out in the comments below or give me a call, 303-210-0378, 1285 Elder Street in Denver, Colorado.